Today we'll be talking all about another project car that we bought this Christmas. So let's go. Oh, hi guys. Nagbi-blink kasi itong ilaw ng Jimny nila Ed. So hindi ko mabuksan. So naka-flash tayo. So right now we're going somewhere south. We're going somewhere, saan ba yun? Sukat? Sukat. Ito si Ayn, of course. Right ka. Nandito pa kami sa Balaway kasi kumain kami sa JT's Manukan. Kasi yung isa dito si Ed, nag-a-addict sa, sa chicken heart. 10 stick yung in-order niya ngayon guys. Today, kagabi nandun kami. Ilang stick yun? 6 sticks. So, naka 16 sticks na siya. Sa isang gabi pa lang, diretso lang. So, I said, in a span of 24 hours. So yun yan, pupunta na kami, dala namin yung Jimny na naka-lowered and T37s. Jimny ni Boss. Jimny ni Boss. Shoutout Boss. So yun, papunta na kami ngayon sa Sukat. I'm pretty sure sobrang traffic na ito. Kasi right now it's 5:26. So, pabalitaan namin kayo kung gaano ka-traffic. So yun. So, this is a special Christmas gift natin sa sarili natin. Kung aray lang. Pero yeah. Medyo yun yung iniisip ko. Christmas gift siya. Tapos, we'll be somehow making it very fresh. So, I'll let you guys see what it is in a while. So that you'll see how fresh it is. Wala akong balak bumili nito pero sobrang it checks all the boxes that I really want with this car ever since. Gusto ko talaga siya. Pero yun, papakita ko sa inyo isa-isa yun. And I'll check all the boxes later. So, see you guys in a few. So guys, andito na kami sa may, ano to, Buendia? Buendia. Grabe yung traffic. Ano na ngayon? 5:08. So, yun. Super traffic kasi, ano na ngayon? December 20? 21? 21 na guys. So, just the right time for our Christmas gift for ourselves. Ayan. Yan, parang Christmas light dito. Party kami dito. Kasi sira yung ilaw. Uy, Lord. Sira yung ilaw kundi ako yan. So, see you in a while. So, dito si Ed, si Ayn. Pakita na namin sa inyo yung kotse. So, yup. We bought a fresh 96, 97 Civic EK. A bigote, a white one. There's a VTI. Tapos Matic. So excited na kami. So sariwa, very sariwa. So dadalhin muna namin kila Ed. Papakita ko sa inyo yung kung ano meron, bakit natin binili ito and anong meron sa kanya sa otong to. So first, I just wanna give a shout out to Paco. Ikaw, alam mo yan, Paco. So thank you very much bro. So we'll be using this car now. See you guys. Nandito tayo sa kotse. Inarbor ni Ed. Dede, joke lang. Ginagamit si Ed nag-drive kasi gusto niya ma-enjoy, gusto niya ma-try. Kasi, guys, I mean, the car is not that perfect. Hindi siya 99, 100% perfect na sobrang sariwa kasi it's a 97, 96 year model. Pero guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga little details na natuwa ako. Firstly, definitely, would be the gauge. Ay, the mileage. It's 79,000. Okay, baka peke, pitik, or what. Unang-unang, kaya natin bibilin to is Origin mileage because the CR, the owner is first owner talaga. 97 pa yung ano niya, yung sa CR niya. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So isipin niyo yun, like never siya na transfer. Tapos yung company na may-ari, doon ko talaga binili. So gets mo, doon natin binili, di ba? Yun yung talaga kung saan, doon talaga natin binili. So gets nyo, para pumitik yung mga company, it's very very seldom to happen. Dashboard guys, sobrang sariwa. Look at the shifter. Sobrang sariwa din, even the steering wheel. Ayan o, grabe, sobrang, pero may mga imperfections siya. Like, ito medyo may mancha and all, pero everything, sealing is nice. Ito gumagana, ayan o. So, everything talaga is super good. Even this one, walang gap. Even yung mga tela, walang tanggal. So, may mga minor stuff lang. Ito nga gumagana pa kanina, last time tinry ko to. Ayan o, gumagana pa yung titer niya. So, ilaw dito gumagana pa. Everything is working. Not that much. Pero hindi sa sobrang perfect. Pero, ayan o, nag-pop out o. Hindi nga alam mainit. Pero, ay hindi, mainit. So guys, yun lang. Parang, this car, explain ko sa inyo mamaya pag-park natin kay LED, bakit this car checks all the boxes of what we want as a like, bakit natin gusto magka-VTI, nabulol ako dun, pero bakit gusto natin magka-VTI, dati pa talaga, pero shoutout pa ako, thank you sobra. So yun, drive lang kami ni Ed, try lang namin, baka may mga additional problema na makita, pero mamaya pag park namin, papakita namin sa inyo kung ano pang meron dito sa Otong to. Let's go! So hi guys, ngayon papunta tayo sa Zedcar kasi I wasn't able to let you guys see the car out last night kasi nung drive ko siya papunta kay Ed, madilim, sobrang dilim, so you won't see it that much. So ngayon, kagabi actually iniwan ko na diretso siya sa Zedcar para masimulan na today. So ngayon, pupuntahan natin, dadaanan natin before doing our errands kasi magsusundo tayo sa airport. But now, dadaanan natin just to check the car and let you guys see kung bakit natin pinili yung kotse. Maraming papagawa, to be honest, maraming papagawa. Ginagawa na sila ngayon, pero I'll let you guys see kung ano yung mga yun. And how, like when buying second-hand cars, especially 90s cars, anong mga kailangan talaga natin tignan o gawin. So, isa yun. Pero hindi naman perfect, pero somehow, di ba, ma-explain ko sa inyo. So, on to Zedcar. Let's go. We're now here in Zedcar. Naka-lifter na siya, so hindi ko rin ulit siya mapapakita sa inyo na maayos. But, I'll let you guys see kung ano meron man, minimal stuff that the reason why we bought the car. So, ngayon, nakataas na siya dyan. So, this is the VTI. Yes, it's a bigote. Okay, ano yung mga criteria na hinahanap ko when we bought this car, specifically this car? I've been looking for a car like this way back 2018. So, like 5 years ago na yun. I kept looking with 4 criteria. Number 1, I need a VTI. Second, I need an automatic. Third, I need a white one. And fourth, I want a bigote. No SR bodies. I don't like an SR body. I want a bigote. Specifically, this one. Those 4 criteria lang. Puti, VTI, matic, and bigote. So guys, all of those boxes, check. Ang malaking bonus is this car so fresh. It has like 79,000 mileage. We bought it from the first owner. So gets nyo, parang sobrang laking bonus na yun. So syempre, ang daming kailangan gawin, of course. So we'll try to order another rear bumper because butas na to. May sensors silang nilagay kasi matanda na yung nagdadrive. But it's fine. So this one, lahat ng badging nandyan pa. Honda, Civic, VTI, VTEC, everything is there. So will be, yung alignment niya dito obviously maayos. So wala siyang, feel ko talaga wala siyang bangga. So ito ayusin lang natin. Due to age, syempre bumabagsak yung bumper. Even the front, sakit ng EK ito. So we'll be doing this like push up. Meron yan gumagawa online. So the mudguards are all intact. The side skirts are intact. Tapos the wheels are like stock lang. Tapos napalitan na yung gulong definitely. So actually kanina nga, pinapacheck ko yung mga pang-ilalim kasi nga I'm happy with the ride of the car. But still, kung ano man mga kailangan palitan na mga pang-ilalim, papalitan na. So, yung tinanong ko kanina, yung suspension is still Honda. Hindi pa siya napalitan ng KYB or what. Yung muffler niya is all stock. Pero ito may konting lamat na dito. So, I'll try to find a whole set of muffler for exhaust. Para ano, repainted na yung auto. Ramdam ko naman, repainted na yung auto kasi ang daming mga overspray like this one, ganyan. But it's okay. Yung tambol niya medyo ano na. So, everything na kailangan ilinis. Pretty soon, pipintuhan na natin yung wheel well and everything. Yan. Ito, napalitan na rin, ng replacement siguro to, or original. I'm not really sure. But, papinturahan natin kasi syempre sirain yan sa EK. The OK badging is still there. So, yun. Side skirt. So, ngayon, ang daming sira. Syempre, we'll be changing the fluids, the oil to Totachi. Of course, shout out to Totachi. Ayan. So, ang daming tagas. Yung pinaka-tagas, kuya, is yung ano yan? Oil pan. Oil pan, so palit ng oil pan seal. Tama? So, kailangan palitan ng oil pan seal. Tapos, yung mga sa taas, medyo may konting tagas din. But the transmission is good. Sabi ni kuya, wala namang tagas sa transmission. So, very good. Pero guys, talagang ano na to. Ayan, daming ang tagas. But still, we'll be maintaining it here at Zedcar. So ito ayusin din natin to alignment na to, yung headlight papalinis natin. Original headlights pa like Honda pa. you can see, it's still Honda. Tapos, brakes, kailangan na palitan yung brake pads. Yung mga bushings, kailangan palitan. Even the hood, ayan, yung mga markings, nandyan pa lahat. So, it's relatively fresh. The paint is not that perfect. Pero, pretty soon, pag-iipunan natin, papahilamos natin ng maayos. So, here it is. So, yun. Interior-wise, it's relatively fresh too. May mga kailangan lang syempre ayusin, pero nothing major na punit yung whatever. Yung mga upuan niya maayos pa. Alam mo yung nakakatuwa? For me, small joys is like, walang sayad yung mga running board. Kasi syempre, sanay tayo sa puro sayad kasi puro lowered yung auto natin. But this one, it's all stock. So I'm really happy. So yun. This one is open. Ayan. To let you guys see the interior. Yan. Even the sidings. Ayan o. Wala pa yung tuklap dito. Tapos yung steering wheel, pinakita ko kagabi, sobrang fresh pa. Everything's relatively fresh. May spare key pa guys. Sobrang panalo. So yun. Papaganahin din natin to antena. By the way, yan yung pinaka-favorite spot ko sa mga EK. Pet peeve ko yan sa EK na pag hindi yan gumagana, naiinis ako. So, papaganahin natin yan. So yun. I'll give like additional vlogs after we finish the car here in Zidcar. We'll be putting in, we ordered Cylon already, so parating na yung Cylon tires natin for the 15s na ikakabit natin. So I'll do a vlog for that. And right now, I just wanted to finish na kung ano man mga mechanical muna. Para at least after that, we get to do the aesthetics one. So yun yung favorite natin, yung mga aesthetics. Ako personally, yun yung lagi kong ginagalaw. So yun, we're gonna wait for that. After everything, bilan na natin sa mga buting-ting. It won't be like 100% perfect, but I'll be definitely happy when it finishes na talagang tindig stock lang. So I'm really excited. I'll do another vlog for that. Pero ngayon, ito yung Christmas gift natin sa sarili natin. So guys, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Another 90s project car. Like, man, I don't know what I'm doing with my life, but yeah. Sabi ko ayoko na eh. Pero this is hard to pass on kasi I wanted this way back pa. So, alam niyo yun. Peace. Good luck to us. So, yeah. Definitely good luck to us. So, thank you very much for watching. Please do like this video. Please do subscribe on our YouTube channel. And all of our social media accounts. It's Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. It's Banawe Boy No Space. So, see you guys soon. More vlogs for the EK Bigote. Peace out. Bye. Like, bakit natin gusto mag-BBI na gulo lang?